Tesla's GigaFactory in Germany has added another ace up its sleeve by getting another early approval. This approval has been granted to Tesla GigaFactory by the Office of the State for the Environment. This newest approval, granted to Tesla GigaFactory Berlin, will allow the company to build the capacities like tanks and spaces to hold the fluids such as the antifreeze, windshield washer fluids, and others. According to a report published by Tages Spiegel, the Ministry of the Environment Brandenburg has confirmed that at this stage, Tesla GigaFactory Berlin has not been allowed to commission new facilities. However, the approval for the construction of the tanks to be used for the storage of carbon dioxide and nitrogen and other chemicals, along with the sprinkler system, is also in the pipeline, and analysts are predicting that this approval would be given to Tesla soon enough. This early approval granted to Tesla GigaFactory Berlin is the company's 17th approval till now. It will help Tesla, as well as the State of Brandenburg, to carry on the construction smoothly enough until the final approval has been granted by the state. The head of the State of Brandenburg, Dietmar Woidke, said that the decision regarding the final approval for the operations of Tesla GigaFactory Berlin would most probably be granted late in 2021, once it is cleared of all the concerns and doubts. According to a report published in the German media, Tesla is very likely to get its final permit for the operations of the electric vehicle manufacturing at Tesla GigaFactory Berlin. According to some reports published by governmental institution, GigaFactory of Tesla in Brandenburg, Germany, is very likely to pass all the initial tests and be granted the final permits. However, the Office of State for the Environment will definitely impose some serious regulations on Tesla and will demand strict adherence to the rules and regulations on certain special subjects of attention, such as the issue of water consumption by the Tesla Gigafactory's electric vehicle manufacturing section, the battery manufacturing plant that is currently being constructed, and the issue of possible on-site accidents that the facility might face. The Office of State for Environment said that the decision to grant the final permit to the Tesla GigaFactory Berlin would be made after an online discussion about all the objections that the critics have been posing, and the company would not be given the final permit until all the objections have been answered and prepared for. Tesla GigaFactory Berlin was initially scheduled to start the vehicle manufacturing by the end of July of 2021, but since then, company have been facing serious setbacks due to the ongoing pandemic. Moreover, the inclusion of the battery facility to the Tesla GigaFactory Berlin has also delayed the start of production of electric vehicles. The Tesla GigaFactory Berlin is expected to be capable of producing around 500,000 electric vehicles per year. The final permit before the start of operations might be coming with certain hurdles, yet it is still fantastic news for the company and for Tesla enthusiasts all over the world. However, that is not all that Tesla has gained in the past few days. The electric batteries produced by Tesla are one of the best the world has to offer, and the batteries produced exclusively by Tesla have been switched onto at the world's largest solar farm in the Middle East, known as Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park. The world's quickly progressing and converting its energy usage and production methods to ways which are more environmentally friendly. Solar energy, like any other renewable energy, has plenty of usages and quite a potential to provide for all the energy demand of the planet. Despite this potential, solar energy generation is a field that is not focused as much on as it should be. The Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park is one of the starting pieces of the puzzle of solar energy generation. Tesla, by getting their batteries into this solar energy generation product, could become one of the electrical energy giants as they have their electric car business flourishing. This project could serve as the feather in the cap for Tesla. A system of batteries consisting of power packs manufactured by Tesla was switched on successfully at the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park with a capacity of 1 gigawatt of power. It is among the biggest renewable energy generation projects the world has ever seen. The project was undertaken and implemented by the official electricity provider and distributor in Dubai, known as DEWA, Dubai Electricity and Water Authority. Although the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park is currently generating electricity The generation capacity of this electric facility is only approximately 1 megawatt of power. However, according to the Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, this system of generating electricity is yet to be expanded even further. According to the reports presented by the Company of Public Service Infrastructure, the company is looking forward to expanding the capacity of this renewable energy production facility to a gigantic amount of 5 gigawatts by the end of the current decade. With all that being said and done, the Tesla power packs that have been installed in the massive solar farm in the Middle East are still functioning in the test phase, and the quantity of power packs that have been installed is relatively small. This project could be referred to as a pilot project. The Chief Executive Officer of the Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, Mr. Saeed Mohammed Al Tayer, said that the inclusion of the Tesla batteries in the electric sector of the country will help to spread and create different channels of energy that can be used to supply the energy to the target locations, along with the storage of electricity that has been generated and is surplus with better energy storage technologies. The Chief Executive Officer of DEWA said that Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park energy storage project, established using the Tesla battery solutions, is the largest site of the kind in the world. According to him, this project aims at the diversification of the energy mix and enhancing the energy storage capacity of the nation. Mr. Al Tayer also said that this project, established at the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park, will assist the authorities in determination and evaluation of the economic and technical prospects of utilizing these technologies at the operational and workable level of solar power plant based on photovoltaic cells. This pilot project will also help in assessment of the using of these technologies in the relationships between the production of clean energy by the use of solar farms and the storage of the generated electrical energy by the Tesla batteries for the achievement of better efficiency and reliability. The Dubai Electricity and Water Authority has been working on another energy storage project of the scale of the pilot project, also at the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park, apart from its project using the Tesla batteries to store electrical energy. This project for the storage of electrical energy uses the sodium-sulfur NAS solution, which has the energy storage capacities of 1.2 megawatts power out of 7.5 megawatt hours. It would not be a surprise if the Dubai Electricity and Water Authority adopts Tesla's more advanced and efficient technologies such as the Megapack batteries in their quest of expansion of the solar farm in the near future. And now watch this next video about other Tesla news and updates.